What's up, guys? It's your boy Scoop. You are live with Heavycampfxgroup. Alright, guys, so in this video we're going to be looking at Tradingview. So this is basically the trading platform that we use to analyze the market, and the reason we use it, guys, it's basically user friendly. It's much easier to use as compared to your Meta 4 or your Meta 5 trading platform. We only use those for our real accounts, right, guys? So whenever I take trades, what I do is I take them on my Meta 4. I analyze firstly on my Tradingview, but then I take my trades on my Meta 4 or Meta 5, but I don't do any analysis on there, right, guys? So we're just going to jump straight into it, guys. So how you firstly access Tradingview, just go to any search engine and then just type www.tradingview.com/chart, and then this is what you'll get, right, guys? And then if you are logged into your Gmail account, what will happen is automatically your charts will get saved along with your Gmail, right, guys? So even if I go to another PC, another search engine, I just type Tradingview and then I log in. What will happen is all my saved charts will appear. Alright, guys, so we're going to jump straight into it, guys. So as you can see, towards the left side, we have, this is where we can see the pairs that we want to trade. Alright, guys, so these are where we have our Forex pairs, CFDs, stocks, whatever you want to trade. Alright, guys, your Bitcoins, your crypto, and all of that. Alright, guys, so basically whatever pair you are looking at, this is where it will appear. And then over here we have our time frames, right, guys? So you can basically customize them. This is what's nice about this. You know, you can customize and basically have what you basically use. As you can see, I've chosen a couple of time frames from your daily to your 4 hours down to your 5 minute, but that doesn't mean I don't use the other time frames, right, guys? Sometimes I do go to a weekly when I just want to see the overall trend or what the market is doing, right, guys? But then I just put my favorites just up here. And then even up here, guys, we have our charts, you know, the type of charts that you want to use, your candlesticks, your line charts, whatever you want to use, guys. So I basically, these are the ones that I highlighted. So it's basically charts, and then we also have our area, and then we also have our alright, guys, and then over here, these are other shortcuts that I have, guys. These shortcuts, you can mainly find them on the left side. As you can see, this is where you can find all of these, your cross, your dots, trend lines, and everything. As you can see, so everything that you want to shortcut, guys, you can just put a star next to it, and then it will basically appear here, right, guys? So whatever you want to use, whatever you prefer, this is where you come, this is where you find it, right, guys? For your long short positions, I just put them here just to make it easier to find. Alright, guys, your head and shoulder, okay, I don't have this one here because I don't use it that much. Even when I use it, it's basically just to get more confluence, so it's not something I use a lot. And then going down, guys, this is where you can log some of your drawings or your charts. Let's say, for an example, you have you've labeled out a certain level there. So basically what you can do is you can log the chart so that this cannot be deleted, right, guys? And then you can also personally just log whatever that particular drawing that you just did, maybe for an example this rectangle, so you can also lock it so that it doesn't move, and then it also cannot be deleted, right, guys? And then if you wish to unlock it, you just unlock it, right, guys? So yeah, that's basically it for the chart. Okay, one more thing, guys, so you can also customize the color of your price of your candlesticks, right, guys? I chose green and red, which is the most popular. This is how I started Forex, and I just stuck to it, right, guys? But then most people like using different colors. You can even change the color scheme of your your whole theme, basically, and then turn it black, right, guys? But then I like it in white. Don't ask me why, I just do. Alright, guys, and then also whatever customizations that you want to do, right, guys? For an example, for the numbers this side, you can also come and then just scale them up or scale them down depending on how big or how small you want them. And then also you can have a watermark, all of those things, guys. So you can play around with these things just to see what they do. All right, guys. And then whenever you found a certain theme or certain things that you want to stick to, you can simply come and then just save them as a template, so that even if you do change maybe your settings, you can simply go back to your original settings whenever you want to. Right, guys. Yeah, so that's it for the Tradingview video, right, guys. So this is the platform that we use to analyze. I recommend that you use it. You don't have to. If you're already used to the Meta 4 or Meta 5 trading platforms, then by all means you can, because they more or less have the same functions, right, guys. You can find all of these things in your Meta 4, Meta 5 trading platforms. But then I just like using this because, I don't know, it looks fun, and it's nice and easier to trade. Alright, guys, that's been it for this video. It's your boy Scoop. We out.